Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is me, Mary Maidenhill. Now, I just got back from my regular job and I got to the house and I get to find this box. Now, I have the regular subscription, so I really don't know why I got this really big box. So I only broke the seal right here. Oh, but I haven't opened it, so I just want to like do it with you guys to see what's going on here. Okay, so it opens like this. Wow. Okay, so um, what is all this? What is all this? Oh my God, I'm so excited. First of all, let's see. I got a Kat Von D dagger tattoo liner. Ooh. It's a full size. I got a Too Faced melted matte liquid longwear lipstick. Ooh, that looks really good. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay. Now this is, what is this? What is this? Ah! Oh my God, it looks like an eyeshadow palette. Look. It's like a little book. Let me see. And it has a really nice mirror. That's so cute. I mean, look at this. It has a lot of blues. I like that. Ooh, that is so cute. Let's see. What else did I get in here? This is a fresh soy face cleanser for all skin types, rich in amino. Right here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm sorry. There we go. Focus, focus. Stupid camera. Oh my God, it's like a face cleanser. I need that. My face needs it. Okay, and this is a ritual of Sakura. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. Foaming shower gel. Oh my God, that is so cute. Now I know why the box is so big. This is actually the regular box. It's just that the products. But you know what? It didn't come with like, what? They're slacking. This boxes usually come with a little sticker. Not sticker, that little booklet thingy that tells you what you got in the box. Let me put this on the side. What the crap? It's just a I just made a mess. It's just a bubble wrap and this. So let's look at this melted matte liquid lip. Color Suck It. Oh, let me see. I'm wearing like a simple makeup today because I was working. So there we go. Let me see Too Faced. Let me swatch that. Let's see. Oh my God, it's actually really, really cute. I might try that right now. Gotta clean this one off. This is from the Jeffree Star mystery box, the question mark one. That's the one I'm wearing right now. Okay, so, oh, that is so cute. I like Too Faced. So I'm definitely gonna try that one. And let me see this Dagger tattoo liner, waterproof liquid eyeliner. Never seen it before. I didn't know that Kat Von D was in Boxycharm. Okay, let's see. That is like, that feels so lightweight. Okay, I love that lip color. Look at that. Okay, let's see. Let's see that. I'm not sure about it. It's not that black when you look at it closely. When you look at it closely, look, it's not that black. Then again, my camera sucks. I'm getting a new one, so I'm happy about that. I'm dying to smell this. I'm so using this, and I will give you guys an update on how this actually, because the one I actually have is almost gone. So I'm really happy that I got a new one to try. So this, let's open it. Let's see here. Ooh, nothing in there. Oh, let's see how it smells. I guess that has a seal. Ah, great. It actually has a seal here. Let's take that off. Oh my God. That smells like cucumbers. Let me see if that's right. It's a soy face cleanser for all skin types, rich in amino acids. Gently cleanses face and eyes. And something in French, which is nettoyant visage ou suja. I'm pretty sure I messed that up. And it says fresh soy face cleanser for all skin types in an extra gentle gel cleanser that instantly whisks away everything impurities and makeup, even mascara, without stripping the skin of essential moisture. I do need that. My skin is going through the gigs. Multitasking formula. I just want to know. So it's fresh soy. It smells really, really good. Oh, I'm definitely trying this tonight. I'm excited. And then we got this organic rice milk and cherry blossom foaming shower gel. Oh my God, that smells so good. I wish you guys could smell that. Oh, it comes a lot, comes out. Oh my God, that smells so good. It sucks that a lot comes out. I didn't want to waste it. Crap. Okay, but look, 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 it does foam. And it's so soft. Let me just move it. Oh my God. That feels so good. I'm definitely using this tonight. Let me clean that off a little bit. And it takes makeup off too. But this face cleanser is amazing. It smells so, so good. I've never tried this brand before, Fresh. Yeah, I've never tried it before. So that's a good thing about Boxycharm. You get to try for like $25 or something like that. You get to try products that you've never even heard of. And there's so many good products out there, what we're used to buying regularly. So I'm really happy that I got this stuff. That's why I was wondering why the box was so big. Usually it's like a real tiny box, but it's because I got a book palette. This one right here, this is gonna look so cute. Did this come in like different colors, different story ones? Life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale. This is so freaking cute, and it even comes with a little plasticky. I'm not taking that off because this is a collector's item. I don't think if I even that grim color, I like it a lot. That is so, so cute. And you know what I like? How they made it look like it's like an old book, like the pages. Look at that. That is so cute. It's a lot of waste of packaging because, like, come on. But it's so beautiful. I'm so going to put it right here. There you go. That looks cute there. Okay, so I am actually going to be trying this lippy today. Okay, so I am back. I found my wipes. These are the ones that I use. They're like the off-brand from Neutrogena. You can buy them at Walmart. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this lipstick. I love Jeffree Star lipsticks, but they are like hard to remove. I still have like a little bit of tint there, so I'm hoping that that won't. Oh, that was rough. You won't be able to see. Let me just powder my lips a little bit. Just a little bit so I don't look so. Ooh, that was rough. Jesus. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and try this Melted Matte Liquid Lip Long Wear Lipstick. Okay, this is a really cute color, so I'm going to go ahead and try it right now. Ew. That smells like regular lipstick, but no, it has like something. It doesn't smell that great, but let's see. I like that color. That is cute. Let's see. Mm. It is actually very soft. I always mess up my lips, so don't come for me. I have a weird shape of lips. That actually looks really, really cute. I like that color. Mm-mm-mm. You can see it there. Now I just want to go ahead and try that shimmery. Let me see. From this Storybook Cosmetics, um, I'm just gonna do it with my finger just to like see how that looks. Let me do a swatch really quick first. You know what? No, I'm gonna go with Fairies. That's the one right there in the bottom. Fairies. Fairies. I'm just gonna do it with my finger. So let me just go ahead and first I'm gonna swatch it. So let me just go ahead and touch it here. Feels soft. Let me put it here on my finger. Here. Oh, that looks really, really cute. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tap it in with my finger. Let's see. Fairies. Fairies. I'm going to have to fix my black eyeliner. I just wanted to see how it looked. That's actually very cute. I mean, I can clean my black eyeliner. That's not a problem. Let's see. This actually looks really cute. Let me go ahead and use a Q-tip that I have right here. I'm just going to go ahead and dab it in here. I think I have, yeah, I have some Slay All Day from Gerald Cosmetics, the Rich Lux collaboration. I'm gonna go ahead and spray that Q-tip and maybe I can grab it like that. Let's see. Oh, that smells so good. Yeah, I took it off a little bit. I mean, it did remove some of the liner, but that's fine. We'll just go ahead with that Kat Von D one, just go over it. You know, why not? We're trying new stuff, so why not, right? I mean, that Kat Von D eyeliner did not swatch that great, but hey, swatching stuff. Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. The Dagger Tattoo Liner, waterproof liquid eyeliner. Let's try it over that shimmer and over the one I already had. Let's see. Okay. It's actually very soft on the eye. I'm going to go ahead and extend that wing eyeliner. I might mess it up, but I really want to see it on my actual skin because right now it's just over the other eyeliner. So if this wing eyeliner goes insane, don't come for me. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and go up here. Oh. It actually glides really, really smooth. Hmm, not bad. Let's try that again. Let's try that over here. It has like a little, you see it's kind of like flat. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of like flat there. I don't know. We'll just see. See, I just messed it up. It actually performs nice. That's insane. I mean, it does work. Maybe I'll just do like a little dot right there. Now I'm just playing around with stuff. I mean, it worked fine on my skin. So I guess I'm going to try it again. I'm going to play with it because I've been using the NYX and I've been using the Sigma liquid eyeliner. But yeah, so actually that's what I got on my Boxycharm. I got the Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetic. I got this. I think it's super cute. And I got the matte Too Faced liquid lip. I got that black eyeliner. I got the face cleanser, which I'm super excited to try. And I got that body wash, foaming body gel. This, I'm so trying it tonight. And this too, so I can remove all this craziness I just did. Okay, so final thoughts. I think that for the good thing about Boxycharm, like I mentioned earlier in the video, is that you get quality products for $25, I believe. I've been subscribed to Boxycharm for a while, so I love their products. What I don't use usually, like highlighters or like golden shadows or stuff like that, I just usually just give it away to my sister, my friends. So yeah, I think it's worth it completely. I've had other subscriptions and I don't like them. This one, I've always been very, very pleased with it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this helped you with something. I'm not saying that you have to get it, but if you get it, you would be getting your money's worth. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give us a thumbs up. Click on that notification bell so whenever I upload another video, you get notified and you can see this cuteness. I'm definitely getting more and more comfortable filming videos, and actually I just got a new camera, so I'm going to be setting up with a new camera so the video quality is going to look so much better. I do apologize for all the quality that you've had for a little bit. So thank you so much for watching, and I love you. Bye.